Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Pick a reputable VPN provider and sign up so you already have credentials. Once done, download the provider app for your device, Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS, and grant any requested permissions. Make sure to update your OS if it's outdated. Outdated systems can block secure connections. Install the app, then open it and sign in with the account you created. This gets you past the initial hurdles quickly, so you can configure the connection next. Now you configure the VPN. Choose a protocol such as WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for broad compatibility, because protocol choice affects performance and security. Next, select a server, nearby for low latency, or in a specific country for content access. Enable critical features like the kill switch and DNS leak protection. These prevent data leaks if the VPN drops. Once settings are saved, connect and test your public IP and location to confirm the tunnel is active and traffic is routed through the VPN. To finish, verify the VPN is working. Check your public IP and run a speed test to ensure acceptable performance. If a site blocks VPN traffic, try changing protocol, picking a different server, or enabling obfuscation or stealth mode to bypass detection. Make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't interfering by temporarily disabling or allowing the VPN app. If problems persist, update the VPN app, reboot your device, and contact support with logs. One key tip: switch servers first. Many issues resolve with a different endpoint.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.